comes, I move. This is a one-arm movement. You can grab the arm, or you can just support the other hand. This hand goes on top of the knife, blunt part. Says double edges, it doesn't matter. Grab this way, push the white part down, and your fingers connect on the top. This side's still empty, you can't do nothing. And pull down, knife comes off. And the other way, you can do this. If it's an army style, pull there, and you kill the guy, but you don't want to do that. See the knife? Take out this way. Comes off his hand.